Now, um, pick a customer segment, right? The third step is pick a customer segment. What is a customer segment? See, customer segment is a cluster of customers, okay, which creates each type a little bit different. Let me give you an example. Example in education space, education industry. Uh, let's say the training industry. So you're doing a training of XYZ training program. Okay. In that XYZ training program, so two kinds of people can be your customers, or two types of students can be your customers. So the first type is students, like the college students, who is a management graduates or studying in management colleges. So they can be your customer. That is first customer segment or a student segment. The second type of segment is, let's say, the same course or the training program. It is also useful for working professionals who is working as a marketing executive or sales executive. So in this working professionals is a separate segment, students is a separate segment. So like this, for every product or service you sell or promote or want to promote, there will be different customer segments, like at least two, three, four, whatnot. Like many customer segments will be there. So you have to figure it out and find out who who or which segment or which are the segments. Pick one to three segments, not more than that, and concentrate on those only until you make certain money. Don't go with a lot of people. That's the suggestion. So pick a customer segment. That is a step three.